need my diaper changed, please.
I'm gonna be showing you my my elevator climb.
We really out of diapers.
He is the one that made the clan, bro.
Why are we out of
Y'all like that?
diapers? I need
You guys are
diapers.
probably just like a part of the clan, but you guys are like. He's not the freaking leader.
Yo, GGP. I mean GGP. Come to double wall. So I'm kind of doing it now without both hands. Well, this was me earlier. Well, this was me earlier.
He put everybody to put his name as KG.
I was doing it with 2 hands,
I'm not KG, bro.
but now
Exactly.
I'm not
So then
in
you're
KG.
not in.
I could do it with
Okay,
1
then
hand.
you're not in the clan, so stop saying that you're in an important carrot.
I went out on that step.
TTH, bro.
So we could probably see if I could do it on Gorilla Tag instead of Monkey Grinders. Yo, Black, look. Wait, come back down. Look.
Yeah.
Bro, you just learned that today, too?
Yo, GGP, look.
Hell no.
Come here, boy. You can, bro. Nobody can outrun me in elevator. I'm just too good. Holy bananas. Got him.
GGP, look.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Look, come here.
What was that?
I used to be doing it with 2 hands, but now, I'm not. Look. Okay, this is my 1 hand. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, snap. I messed up a little bit. Hold on. I messed up a little bit.
Hell.
Okay. Decent.
Oh, snap. I'm messing up. Okay. Wait, I'm messing up. Wait, I'm not doing it right. Hold on, I'm not doing it right. Bro.
Yo. That was good. Now
Okay.
you have to learn how to do this. Look. Oh my god. Come here, student. Come down to me. Now you gotta.
What the frick? What? Oh, okay.
Hell no.
It's very.
Oh, I'm doing it! I did it!
Yo.
I did it! First try!
I'm doing it already.
Nah, bro.
I did it
not
first
like
try.
That, Party, you have to do this. He doesn't know how to elevate, but look, Party, come down. You have to do this. Come here.
Wrong. Look.
You have to do this. Look. We're talking about this. Look.
No, look.
Not
Party
that,
hat.
Not that.
Party hat. You're supposed to lean your head. Supposed to lean your head
It's
like this.
Yeah, lean your
Supposed to
head
lean your
like
head.
this, and then just go around on the other wall. I'm too tired. But don't lean your head into the wall. Lean your head outside of the wall.
Like, lean your head out.
I don't care.
He's kind of doing it, though.
True. Yo, you wanna have
Oh,
an
frick.
elevator race now?
Yeah, let's see if we can race. Bro, I already know I'm finna
Yeah, let's
lose.
do it with the race to see.
Hey.
Oh, frick.
Yeah. Alright, you ready
3.
to
Yeah,
race?
let's just run like.
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
I'll watch you.
How done?
Dang it.
You can run away race. You can run race.
Running race? Okay, bet. Okay,
Right,
come over here.
Alright.
But what is bro doing? What the heck?
Yeah, he's just. Yeah, he picks
Bro is
red.
glitching his hands out.
Look.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
3, all the way to the double walls and back, okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
My arms are kind of like hurting, so that's why.
Finally, bro. Holy, this is good, yo.
Oh my god.
Oh, frick.
How am I doing? Oh my god. I just
I was trying to do elevator. You so selfish.
Hell no.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Tag red. Right?
Geeked
Oh,
out.
frick.
Holy mookie dookie bookie.
Huh?
This kid, bro.
Where are you going? Red is so good. Well, how is
He's
it
not
good?
good,
How
bro.
you
He's
that's
good.
funny.
Right here. Right.
Guys, my VR headset is gonna die, so bye.